Good morning, Dairy Road friends. It's Miss Kristen, and I am here to do a fun science experiment with you. I am going to make a watermelon volcano eruption. So, to do this, I have my watermelon here. I've got some clear dish soap, some baking soda, some vinegar, and some red food coloring. And the first thing I have to do is I have to cut a hole in my watermelon and scoop out all the delicious red fruit, which my kids are going to be super excited about because that's their favorite thing to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my watermelon and get it ready for our volcano explosion. All right. So I started out, I cut a hole in the top of my watermelon. And now I'm going to use a spoon to get as much of the watermelon out as I can and put in this bowl. All right, so I've got my spoon here and I'm just going to spoon out as much of this watermelon as I can get. It's kind of like scooping out a pumpkin. But we're using a watermelon. Watermelon is one of my favorite picnic foods. What about you guys? All right, so I've got a big bowl of watermelon and I've got almost a completely hollow watermelon here. So now we're ready to add in our other things to make a watermelon volcano eruption. All right, so now I'm going to start by adding some baking soda. I'm going to start with about a cup. This is a half a cup, so I'm going to use 2 of these and put the baking soda inside my watermelon. Ready? Here's one. All right. You can And then here's our second one. Are you ready? Alright, so now we've got about a cup of baking soda. I'm going to do just a little more. There we go. Alright, watch out, girl. Let me show you what I've got in there so far. Can you guys see it? Hard to see, but there's some baking soda in there. Okay, so now I'm going to take just a couple squirts of dish soap. 1, 2, 3. And then just a couple squirts of food coloring. We'll do about 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now the last part is the vinegar, but this part is gonna make the explosion, the eruption, okay? So we're gonna do this outside because I don't want a big explosion in my kitchen. So we got the watermelon, we've got the baking soda, we've got the soap, and we've got the food coloring. And now we're gonna add white distilled vinegar into it. And there's going to be a chemical reaction, and it's going to cause something to erupt from our watermelon volcano. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right, let's go outside. All right, guys, we're outside in my backyard. I've got my watermelon with the baking soda, and we're about to add the vinegar. All right, are you guys ready to see what's going to happen? Alright, I'm going to add it slowly and see what happens, okay? Oh my goodness! It's a watermelon volcano. Do you guys see it? The vinegar and the baking soda, when they mix together, it causes a chemical reaction and we get a volcano. How fun is that? What do you guys think? Ooh, look at all that red watermelon foam coming out. We found a little bit more vinegar, so Adeline wanted to add more to see if we could get a bigger explosion. Woo! And she was right. Adding more did cause more. Add more if you want. What a fun and easy science experiment that you guys could try at home if you guys are feeling brave. Oh, Caleb's gonna try. Woo, Caleb! And that's all our vinegar, guys. All right. Thank you for watching our science experiment. I hope you enjoyed watching our watermelon volcano. Bye. Caleb's playing in the foam now. All right, you guys have a great day, a great weekend, and we will see you again soon. Bye.